Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam da kasni. Kanru Phoslam Jongka College Diamond Jubilee Casino College Shillong kala jam ya kamat kabaning kong ya ka college ka de ka kot ka khya. Kum ka college ka sin jam ning kong ban pelong ya ki khna apuli ki bakot bakhya ban lat ka khuslai bat pelet jingmut ha ki jingpuli. Ka medical health camp ka de ka benta ban yatai ya ka ban la ban pelong kong san no man kapor. Kumta ha ka junior trailang bat ka National Health Mission NHM Meghalaya kaneka program kalalong haperthe jong ka junior up ye ki samla puli bat ki nong tray jong ka college balapnya da ka internal quality assurance cell IQAC ka
health workers especially because we are in the field da ngim nang ban eye awareness ngim nang ban pichai mo ni ta e ka jing pang kalong kumno ki symptoms ka kata kumno kibrem ki kilom se ko ka jing pang let's say ka pipi komenta pun macam example ki pun ki pang ki mo lada kids ko tho kumno ban pichai ki symptoms kumno ka sedang kata ki how would they come early detection mo kata kade ko awareness. Number 2 kumbai la om ne immediately mature ba kanika stigma is there especially in young people ba lada kismu ba let's say nganda mi siya kamat ani ong ba ong apang kani ngapang katay barabor kileran but especially in cases of mental health and sexually transmitted diseases, these cases are high in Meghalaya but they have that awareness but it is still normal for you to get these diseases but normal in the sense but because ngidang de kibriu ninyo abik kijat but what is not normal is not to get treatment kan mo ka jing baklang ni hipin ni dan pada ladang ni nang banya pensyai ka jing pang ni nang banya support nang ibi we ben ton ni check up no ton ni lam doctor ipi ladang buat pri papi this is the kani kadi ka jing tunate haka society jini this is a very good initiative from the college side namar ba pun kikna because they are so busy with exams with practicals with classes kimni yo ban one check namar pun sin kikna school ki bawan ni hanga di dispensary ha HC ki kindawan ki hakta the kindapat kata education quality jongki so in that sense Sinot college kala lilat mo ban ong baki khot ka health department one manirap ang check up na this way we can kumpul se mutasi kila nayo ki patient ki badunas na so in this way jaga bikin pep school kin one dispensary pep class bikin one kitchen away in this way kala pila ni one na initiative kin kanamba they don't have to miss any of their classes. So I think this is a very good step taken by the college and Namish Khmadru it would be very helpful ki students and college students but if this should be the case Nami Nyach Khmadru ki college institutes ki play kumi early detection in young children even if it's mental health even if it's medical diseases early detection would really help. I won't say college students, young people mental stress. And there have been studies that stress can lead to like a different bad lifestyles. And bad lifestyles can cause hypertension, early hypertension. It can cause early onset of diabetes so stress is the main factor in young people mentally so in that way stress is there stress with the family stress with peers jonki if they feel anxious people the age group so in that way you cannot stress but can one meet because of that social stigma so hanta cannot stress so stress is the main factor in today's age young people lalaki jong namar ba kita kikna kibla yo kun. This is the main example I can give. Kibla yo kun kibla maklan 16, 17 years of age. But they are serious about their life, about their jobs. Kibla yo ka South Sun Slam kili wat kam. South Sun Slam kila kita kita continue with education, higher qualification. So with the support of the family, again, normal waiting in line. And with the support of the partner, they when drop out because of this is I would not advise it. There's always a way when you need your higher quality education, even after giving birth, your whole crew, they can still achieve that. But it depends on the person kita kena nak say higher education, but then with the support of the family kita diploma courses for just 6 months, or let's say she's not kita nak try courses professional kena what community to support themselves and their family. Again, different institutes. What is the vision? Again, it comes back to one yalam ya kahel. Kuman ang pi one yalam ya kahel iban mita jingkang yem jong pi. They kata let's say because facilities and requirements for let's say kaya phe na kawe ka institute. The kata depend on the institute here to identify key gaps. Let's say kung principal jang sa college mo nila o mo ba ko di ba nanong kanta they come down to really hungry why they have kept this campus when I can help awareness ka health check up so that kim not come but yet like civil hospital ki government hospitals any other hospital for that matter. So kashong institutes recognizing the requirements of the students